Today's full resumption of face-to-face classes is a turning point for the education sector, but it is dogged by a recurring issue. A Clarendon family is demanding answers after a student at a high school in the parish was barred from in-person classes because of his hair. Herman Green has the details.
Diane McClune is a mother in distress. She says her 14-year-old son has been a student at the Central High School in Clarendon since 2019. However, since 2020, his classes have been online because of COVID-19. That changed in January when he attended physical school for the first time in years. But his hair became a problem.
When he went to school, the principal sent him home because of his hair. Right? I tried to find out what is the problem. They said he have to either trim or get a religion letter. Getting a religion letter, it's not easy. I got a letter from a JP, and the JP letter not acceptable.
She is upset, arguing the family is Rastafarian.
I am an Indian, but his father is a Rastafarian. All of my sons them are Rasta. But they don't lock their hair. I rope twist his ear and I tam it because they're not ready for Ras yet. So I rope twist the ear and I tam it. Right? So we're tam from grade, from basic, primary to secondary. Now I have a problem with him.
On Monday, we spoke with Central High Principal Selevit Ingram, who insists his decision is based on the rules of the school.
The student have not presented to us any facts to show his religious group, and of such, he would have presented a letter from the doctor to say that he chooses not to trim his head for no medical reason whatsoever.
He further contends that despite probing, the school has received no proof that the student is a Rastafarian.
As a matter of fact, I had a discussion with the young man just to find out whether or not he would have been of the faith that he claims that he is. He said he would have never visited the church. He has never had any interaction with any group whatsoever. He would have grown his hair over the period, and of such, he is asking for permission to take the hair as it is to be a student here.
With all schools going back to face-to-face classes, Ms. McClune says she's worried, and so is her son.
It's about him. Because guess what? School open from January. He can't go school. He's supposed to go school Wednesday and Friday. Only thing he have to be is online until I got a religion letter. School will be reopening Tuesday coming. I don't got a religion letter as yet. How are we going to go? And if I don't send him, what they're going to take me as a negligent mother?
The family is calling for the Education Ministry's intervention so their son can continue his education. Herman Green, TVJ News.